Imagine living in a place where New York City's future is being built right in front of your very eyes. Welcome to Hudson Yards, where innovation, luxury, and architectural marvels combine in one neighborhood. In this video, we're going to take a closer look at some of the buildings redefining New York City's skyline and shaping the way we live and work. But before we get started, if this is your first time visiting my channel, welcome. My name is Celia Tullen, and I'm a licensed real estate salesperson specializing in residential properties in the Chelsea, Hudson Yards, Meatpacking District, Gramercy Park, Flatiron District, and the Villages neighborhoods. In the event you're looking to rent, buy, sell, or invest in residential properties in either of these communities and you aren't already being helped by another agent, it would be my pleasure to help you with the process. Great, so let's get our tour started. What you're looking at is the Javits Center. This massive convention space is one of the busiest in the world, hosting events from Comic-Con to global business conferences. It recently underwent a huge expansion, adding a rooftop farm and sustainable features. Its role in the economic life of the city is pivotal, driving millions in revenue and bringing people from all over the world to the area. The building that you're currently looking at is 50 Hudson Yards. So this is the second largest office tower in New York City. This 58-story behemoth is 1,012 feet tall and the fourth largest office building in New York City. It was designed by architects Foster and Partners and made of light marble and black metal trim. It's home to financial powerhouses like BlackRock, Meta, Live Gold, and Viatris. What's special about 50 Hudson Yards is its focus on creating flexible, collaborative workspaces, blending luxury and functionality to meet the needs of the modern business world. Across the street from 50 Hudson Yards, we have the number 7 train station. So the 7 train station is a crucial transportation link in Hudson Yards. It opened in 2015 and connects Hudson Yards directly to the rest of Manhattan and Queens. So it makes it very easy for people who live and work here to commute to other parts of the city. So I'm just going to take you downstairs to have a closer look at this beautiful state-of-the-art station. So with its sleek design and high-tech features, it blends right in with the rest of the Hudson Yards community aesthetic. So now we're going to head over to 66 Hudson Boulevard to look at the Spiral. So one of the most visually striking additions to the Hudson Yards skyline is the Spiral, which is this magnificent building you're currently looking at. The Spiral is a 66-story office tower that was designed by Björk Ingels Group, which also designed the One Twisting Towers condominium development at One High Line in Chelsea, New York City. So the Spiral is thus named because of the cascading terraces that spiral up the side of the building, connecting the outdoor spaces with the indoor offices. So it's a little dark outside, so you may not be able to see these terraces clearly. So the Spiral is a total of 1,032 feet high and was designed to accommodate both a modern workforce and environmental sustainability. Companies like pharmaceutical giant Pfizer and AllianceBernstein Asset Management Company set up headquarters in this building. So as I mentioned, it's diagonally located from the number 7 train station, so it's very convenient for employees to commute here. Now we're going to head over to 10th Avenue which will be our final stop to have a look at an upcoming mixed-use property that's being developed. Directly across the street from the shops and restaurants at Hudson Yards, we have a social club called Reserve Paddle, currently at the site of 360 10th Avenue. So as I mentioned to you, shortly, in a couple of years' time, this is going to be the location of the next super tall commercial property. So this concludes our tour of Hudson Yards. I hope that you enjoyed it, and I look forward to you joining me another time for another wonderful tour of one of the communities that I serve. So until then, take great care and enjoy the rest of your week. All the best.